Hello guys and welcome to another Xbox tip video, and today we're gonna see how easy it is to remove a user account from your Xbox console. I have here the Xbox Series S, but this will be similar or actually the same on any Xbox you'll try. Let's start. So very simply we go to our Xbox settings right here, then we go to account, and down here on the right you can find remove accounts. Press on this. And here, as you can see, I have many different accounts that I don't use anymore actually. It could be your friends that came once, so probably you won't need them anymore to be here. So here you choose which ones you want to remove. Okay, so let's select this one for example, and it asks you for confirmation to remove this account. You press remove and this account will no longer be saved on this console. So let's go back to remove accounts. As you can see, this account is not here anymore. And this is how easy you can remove Xbox users' account from your console. If you ever wonder how to record the games you play straight on your Xbox, check the detailed video that I prepared right here.